Hello everyone and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC, we do everything DIY. Today we have a service call for a wall-mounted mini split system. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. We got a single zone split system made by Fujitsu, one outdoor unit and one indoor wall mount. And yes, this is in the wall with some terrible access. Let's take off this cover. All right, another Fujitsu. Okay, so the issue was there's water dripping. I came here yesterday, poured some water into the pan after I took off all the covers, and it was actually draining just fine. So what's that telling me? We got a leak behind the wall and there's no access at all. So I marked a hole. We're gonna chop this thing up. Moved all this huge thing out of the way. So we're gonna cut this up and see if we can see something behind the wall. Did the plastic hose connection in the back just come apart or what? I do see it connected at the unit here. It's over here, so we're gonna make a hole here, put an access cover, and let's see what we see. This is a mystery box kind of job. We couldn't do this yesterday because the tenant didn't want to deal with it. They were busy. They thought it would be something we could just quickly do here, but that is not the case. Let's chop it up. It's my freaking luck, man. Oh man, I see the hose though. Let's get through this a little bit and we're gonna be good. Jeez. All right, get the vacuum ready. For the fact that it's clamped on with some electrical tape, I don't like that. I don't like that. Where does that even go? The heck? Alright, let's take this off and get this started. See where that water is coming from. Look. Just draining in the air. We have this hose going into like one of those little tubes right down there. Let me see if I can get it into one of, I think that right there, and then there's another one back there that we should probably get.
The hose and the pipe, and maybe they just tape it around because that doesn't fit in. Could be.
No, it'll fit. I don't know how that happened, but
That could be a rat.
maybe a rat took it. I don't know. But funny enough, this electrical tape here is holding. I looked at it. Those are two vents. I think I can get it in. Just like this. Come on. There we go. That's it. Alright, we're gonna pour some water. Can you see anything in there, Ian? Take a look. I'm gonna pour some water. Let's listen to it and see if there's any water dripping anywhere else.
Looks good here.
Okay. Different sound already too.
Yeah,
Before you heard it splashing on the floor. Just trying to go a little slow so it doesn't go crazy. Oh, thank God, man. I need an easy one today. This one, you know, it could be crazy job or it could be easy job, you know?
yeah, I was hoping too, because today is my daughter's birthday.
It's her birthday? Oh, happy birthday to her.
They're 15 years.
15? Oh, nice. You're gonna be able to celebrate with her and not fix sheetrock today. All right, let me take a look, Ian. Let me get that. Let's see. Let's go. That's awesome. Yeah, it's dry. I'm not a fan of that thing there, but I don't really want to put some more electrical tape on there while we're here. Might as well, right? What are we gonna do? But thank God it's nothing crazy. So this goes into the vent of that pipe. All right, well, we covered it with this little spring-loaded access panel. It'll be good for the future too to have this. They'll paint it to match the wall. And throw this huge freaking thing in place. You probably won't even see it. All right, turn the unit on. Put this thing back. You don't even see it. It is what it is. Thank God this was kind of an easy one. If anyone found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe as I come out with new videos every week. And I'll catch you all next time.